Hi everyone. First, I want to say I'm so sorry for not posting for such a long time, but I'm back now. And welcome to our new apartment. This space means so much to me because it took so much effort and patience to get there. It's one bedroom unit and we're the very first tenants to live in it, which is so special. The layout is open and with beautiful kitchen and living room. Everything is brand new and I'm so excited to show you around. Let's start with the kitchen. This is one of my favorite parts. We have a large sink, glass stove top, and a dishwasher. I'm very happy about it because we didn't have one in our previous 150 square feet micro studio. Plus, there are so many cabinets, plenty of rooms to stay organized. Moving on, this is the bedroom. It is big enough for a very big bunk bed with a slide, a dresser, bookshelf, and bench organizers, which is perfect for us. And the walk-in closet, it's huge. I love having so much storage space. Lastly, here's the bathroom. It has a nice shower. I wish it had a bathtub because bathtub makes life easier with little kids, but we will make it work. I know many of footage aren't the best quality. I was in a rush because movers were scheduled to help us move in. But once we settled, I'll record a better apartment tour so you guys can see everything in more detail. Thank you so much for your support and patience. I'm so excited to share this new chapter with you all, and I can't wait to bring you along on the journey of making this apartment a home. Stay tuned for more updates soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.